Hi everybody! I want to show you how to make something awesome, something like legendary, something that truly blew my mind when I saw it. It's this bad boy right here. It's called Origami Ninja Star. It's amazing, right? You probably know it never existed, right? You want to make it? Alright, here it is. So, you're going to start off with 2 pieces of paper. It doesn't matter what the color. I like to use yellow personally. So, fold your paper in half. Remember, this paper, it doesn't matter the size or color of this paper. So, fold in half. And then fold in half again. And then I'm going to fold it in half again. But this time the other way. Now, we're going to fold this side down to the crease, like that. And then fold this one up. Whoopsies. I made a big mistake there. Sorry. Fold this one down, and then this one up. See this, people? That's what you want. Now, take the other piece of paper, and that's when you're going to fold the same thing. So, but this time, we want to make this the opposite. So, you know how this is down, up? Now I want this one to be up, down. So, up, down. So, you see the difference? This is what you want it to look like. Pretend like there's 2 chairs facing each other. So, now, what I've noticed a lot of people do when I try to teach them this is that they go like this. That is not what you want to do. Nope. No bueno. You want this to go down. That way, you see? Like this. You want it to be a triangle right here. The other side needs to be a triangle too. Alright, do the same on the other side. Okay, here comes this part that I never understood. You might need to restart the video a few times. So, you need this to be like that. Now you want this one to be looking like this. Now you want to make an X. So this one over this one. Now, you're going to fold this part, this little triangle, and you're going to, you see this little split in the creation there? You're going to tuck it into there. See that? Now you're going to do the same on this side. So, tuck it in. So what I like to do is fold it over first, like that, and then open this up. Tuck it in, maybe resize it a little bit. That's what I have to do sometimes, resize, remodel. So now I take this part, tuck it into this little flap. See? Like that. Now, the very last step. Dun, 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 dun. You're almost there, folks. Almost there. Hang in there. So, fold up this flap. And then, this part's always hard for me. like you guys. It might take me a few extra tries, but eventually you'll get it under there. There you go, folks. You did it. You should be very proud of yourselves, you know. Very, very, very proud. Now, if you like this video, then like or subscribe. Well, we aren't really much of a channel, so anyways. Bye, folks. And I'll be posting some more videos online for you.